As you guys can see, this is my pagination and it's not looking good. This one is actually a default one, but it does look like it is working, but as you go down, the icons are looking like super big and not optimized. So let me show you how we can fix this. I have executed this command. This will actually create a pagination templates inside the view folder, which we can customize it according to our need. And of course, it will contain some default pagination templates, which we can customize it according to our need, such as Bootstrap, Tailwind, and some other things. But you may have to use your Bootstrap or your Tailwind library files in the header section, as we use for any CSS libraries, So now when you go inside the resource and view folder, you can actually see this vendor pagination folder, which contains all kinds of blade templates for the pagination. So let me show you how we can use this. I am not going to customize it, but if you want, you can customize it here. But I'm going to directly use it. It will still work. This categories variable is going to be for my paginate. It's actually fetching the data for my paginate. Now let's do the pagination in our blade template. We already have the code for our old paginate right here. But now we are going to use the template for it. If you don't select any template, it will directly use the default one, which is the ugliest one that you just saw. But now we are going to change that. Using the dev container is optional, but for my design, I'm going to use it anyway. Now inside that links bracket, I'm going to enter this. I have selected Bootstrap 5 for this, and as you guys can see, it worked already. It's showing the results right here and then the page numbers right here. And of course, it is working. And we can actually customize it like whatever the version of the Bootstrap you want. Like right now I have used Bootstrap 5. You can also change it like Bootstrap 4 or any other template which is inside the vendor pagination folder. Right now I used the Bootstrap 4, and as you guys can see, the design is changed. Just play around with it and find the perfect one for you. But if you want to customize it according to your personal design, I recommend you to use this one instead, because it has very minimal code, so you can add anything you want along with it to make it beautiful, I guess. Basic functionality of the pagination is working here, because this one is a very simple one, and this is the code for the template. Perfect, right? I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.